Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be growing Sitka spruce from seed. This year's been a real mast year for the Sitka spruce. The trees are just absolutely covered in cones. So it seems like an opportune time to do this video. Spruce, like a lot of other conifers, their seeds need a period of cold, known as stratification. You'll find the germination rate is exponentially higher when you use the stratification. Though even without stratification you will get some seeds germinating, just a very small percentage. All you need is some Sitka spruce cones, somewhere to dry them, some fairly decent topsoil and some compost. And of course some trays and pots to sow them in. So I've been really lucky this year. We've actually had some Sitka spruce cut down that needed thinning out. So I haven't even had to go out and collect them. I've just been able to cut these branches off and use those. Now as you can see, the branches are covered, absolutely covered in cones. So you'll notice the cones are quite thin and they're not very open at this point. So we're going to go ahead and dry them. It doesn't have to be super warm, just somewhere that you exclude moisture from and they will dry. Even an unheated greenhouse or polytunnel will do. I've just been using the top of our boiler because it stays quite constantly warm. And what you'll see after a few days is they go from looking like this to this. And you'll notice all the seeds come out. These tiny little winged seeds that are designed to fly out and spread, using wind as their main transport method. So we're just going to shake them loose like so, collect them up. As you'll see, I've actually got quite a collection of them now, probably more than I need, so I'll be giving some away. Leave a comment if you want any Sitka seeds sent to you. I'll happily do a seed trade. So now we've got a seed, we just need to sow it. So I take some fairly bog standard topsoil. There's actually lots of leaf mold mixed in with this as well. It's really nice stuff. Mix it with some compost. And I'm just scattering the seeds very lightly. I want them barely covered. You gotta think, these things in the wild, they're designed just to fly off and they're gonna germinate in situ. They don't need burying very deep at all. As you can see, just a light covering, just enough to hold the seeds on top of the soil. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2, where we're going to look at what you do once they germinate, as you've got a couple of options.